In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your Razer headset to your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the Razer Thrasher headset model, but the instructions that I'm going to give you should work for any other model of headset that you have manufactured from Razer. So usually they will include a dongle or some sort of connection that can be done either wirelessly or through a cable to your PlayStation 4. For the Razer Thrasher specifically, all that you have to do is use the dongle. So if you look among the items included, one of them is going to be a dongle that you can connect to your console. So to properly connect this Razer headset to your PlayStation 4, first plug the USB wireless dongle into one of the available USB ports on your console. Of course, this is also going to work for the PlayStation 5. So when you have connected the USB wireless dongle, the next thing to do is to plug the optical to mini optical cable, so from the USB wireless dongle to your PlayStation 4. Once you have everything connected and set up, you can go ahead and power on your headset. Once it is powered on with enough battery, it is going to connect to the wireless dongle automatically. You can also set it up from the PlayStation 4 home screen. So go over to Settings, Sound and Screen, and then Audio Output Settings, where you will be able to switch it on the primary output port. Select Digital Output, Optical, and then choose Dolby Digital 5.1 CH. On the audio format priority, you can choose linear PCM. And if you go back into the devices, you should be able to see and select the USB headset as the Razer Thrasher. Once it is properly selected, you will now be able to use it in game audio, chat audio, and anything else on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer headset to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.